know it's been a while. And it's been a while because I got a new job. But I want to start off by talking about what is happening in Ukraine. And it's so upsetting. And you hear all the time that people want world peace. At times that feels so surreal and a selection from history where civilians are handling guns and fights are breaking out in the middle of the street. Things that are unbearable to even fathom, that is what is happening right now. And it's completely unfair. What else can we do but pray for some peace, for some humanity, for a little less hostility? It's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm moving. Desk is being sold. I'm waiting for her. But the point of this video is to let you guys know how I got a job, a very busy job, a job that I am enjoying, a job that feels like it's meant for me and my needs. And this is how it happened. My desk. So I need to makeshift my desk. This job that I have is in the city, 10 blocks away from Paul Stewart, which is where I used to work. Here is the experience that I went through. And as a 35-year-old senior designer who graduated from Parsons, approaching my 12th year in this field, I find that finding a job today, even during a pandemic, is a lot easier than I thought. And here are a couple of tips that will help you get the job that you want in the field that you love, which makes work a little less daunting, a little less like work. Man, the fuck is... It is now about 7:30, 10 pages done. I wish I could do my usual 50, but we need to go to work. I'm gonna watch some TV, comb my hair, and get dressed in. If you don't know, you guys, I have another channel exclusively skincare, so that will make things a little bit clearer when it comes to what the hell I have on my face. We're in the office, you guys. This is a new office. Everyone has left and we're working from home for the rest of the week, but we will be back next week. Here's the window. Maybe I could show you the view. Let's turn the camera over. Here is our shared office space. What might be of interest is a food bar. So here's station number 1. A lot of wine. And then I will take you to the kitchen. There are some leftover snacks. So on Tuesdays it's tacos and Wednesdays it's pizza. And I think on another day it's breakfast or something. Cereal, snacks. Beer. A lot of beer. More conference rooms. And outside. Using the bathroom, so I left. Now we are back at my seat. It's the end of the day. I'm sorry I have not been vlogging as much.
just been working. But this is what I'm dealing with right now. 3 computers, but I'm returning one to Paul Stewart for right now. I had a drink with Mel. We had a really good time, had some oysters, and now I'm headed home. I need to send an email out, but we'll go out, no worries. And then we're back working from home tomorrow. Welcome to the United States of New York City. We're in Bushwick. I accidentally called Melissa. It's 9 p.m. But she knows it was an accident. She called me right back. Oh my gosh. And we're home. We're 1 block away. And I can't wait to be home. I cannot wait to be home.
And for whatever reason, it took me so long to realize that my hobby and my profession will take me to a new place of feeling like things are clicking. And what I mean by that is 2 years ago, I started an Instagram page for skincare. It was my way of learning more, my way of being able to test things, and also feeling the waters in terms of getting PR projects, working with others, and taking photos. The next step was my YouTube channel. If you do not know, I have a separate skincare channel. And the evolution has taken me to a place where things make so much sense, where now I will start working with photographers that excite me, photographers that produce great work. I feel incredibly busy. I love the office. We work from the office once a week. This job with this company works because there is a trust system. There is a feeling that everyone is getting their job done. Our group huddles all make sense. And because my job is so specialized, I get to focus exactly on what I love to do, which is design, producing new campaigns for particularly skincare brands. So the first website that you need to go on is LinkedIn. Just apply, apply, apply. It's so easy. You could do it from your phone, 2 clicks, and you could get your application out there very, very quickly. The last week of January, I get on a phone call with Paul Stewart, and I'm told that my hours are being very much cut. I did not take this personally. My goal at that point was, let me update my website, let me make sure everything looks good so that I could start applying. This process took about 2 to 3 days, faster than I thought, and then I started applying. First, it was LinkedIn, and if you don't know, as a designer, AIGA and the Type Directors Club, you do not need to be actual members to have access to their job post. So if you are interested in an agency job, that is someplace you might want to go. Other than that, I feel LinkedIn is probably your best bet. It's a platform that just makes it so easy for you to pop, and apply while you're in bed, and you get to see who viewed your resume, who downloaded your resume, and I started getting responses from day one. Fiverr. And the reason why I don't suggest Fiverr is because I thought about it, and I don't want to be stressed about a gig coming in every single day. They also take a percentage, and that is what I hate about things like Creative Circle, because for example, if you charge $70 an hour, then really they're getting 80 and taking the 10 that should be for you. This is not a video about boasting. This is a video about helping you get a job that makes sense with your hobby, that helps you love what you do, because at the end, I used to be a freelancer and now I am a full-time employee. The reason why I made this transition is because I wanted more involvement. I wanted more of a say. As a designer, you could sit in front of your computer for 8 hours every single day, or you can be involved in meetings and the whole strategy behind the campaigns along with designing. And sure, it takes a lot of delegating time-wise, but I feel this is the right way to go. One of the most important things I feel when it comes to finding a job is working with people that feel right, working with people that are on the same level, that understand the main goal is to get the job done, and people who are like-minded. And once that is settled, I feel that as long as you are focused on what you are there to do, everything is smooth sailing. Sure, sometimes you need to work a little bit over the weekend, but for me personally, I would rather be prepared and confident with the day and my work than scramble that day. I also started to notice, and this is for you guys to consider when you look for a job, because the bonuses differ from 10% to 15% to 20%, and just calculate it because the salary might not be as high if the bonus is higher. I don't know what works for you, but that is what I find differ from jobs. I also think my YouTube channel gives an idea of who I am, and that helps people trust you as an employee. So, in addition to helping me edit and learning how to produce a story and getting a video out there, I think this channel has also helped me get the job so quickly. I realized I went really hard. And one other thing I did that I forget to mention is that on Instagram, as a hashtag, I typed in design jobs. The places that I spoke to, that I interviewed with, were Brooks Brothers, Saatchi, Eve Lom, and Max Mara, except I never even got there because at that point I was already with CO Beauty and my contract was signed. The reason why I chose CO Beauty is because with a smaller company, you get more of a say as to the creative choices that are made within. With a smaller company, you also get a better engagement. Just like with the community, when it's smaller, there is more of an intimacy. Also, I found a lot of jobs required you to come in 3 times a week versus 1 or 2 times. It's important that I'm not stressed out about how many days I need to come in as long as I get my work done. There are some people at the company that were working from New Mexico. Even Melissa, I have a little clip over here, just came back from New Mexico. I find that this freedom is what makes people happy, what makes people focus on the job that they're there to do and continue on. And for me, this additional YouTube life is what makes me feel whole. And this is a new job. It's a little bit over a week, but my feelings were not incorrect. This still feels very right. And I promise you guys, I will be on a little bit more frequently. I just need to delegate my time because now with this work life, I need to just slowly weave in YouTube life back again. Because I do miss you guys. And soon when I move, I will take you to my Airbnbs and my new weekend life and just the back and forth and perhaps some traveling. This is Saturday, reporting to you, semi-live. It's about 9 p.m. I am logging off. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.